Hi, my name is Richard Lyle. In today's video, you're going to watch me paint a painting, a portrait of my wife in a mountain meadow on the slope of a mountain in the Olympia National Park. I first start with a transfer and then I start blocking in my underpainting, which in this case was a reverse color. I just block in the big shapes, no detail. Now I'm putting in the local color. Same thing, I just block in the big shapes. But at this point, I use medium. With the underpainting, I just use thinner. I use the white of the canvas to lighten values. I also have white on my palette once I start putting the local color in place. Now my foundation is complete. I got all the big shapes blocked in with their colors. And now I just keep on refining the painting. I just keep on working it. Now I move around the painting. I don't work in one place. Your eyes get used to working in one place, and then you wind up putting too much detail in one place and it doesn't match the rest of the painting. I find it much better to keep moving around. Here I'm putting a little detail in her jacket. Put some in her pants. Here I'm putting the shadows in the grass close to her body. Now I did a little work in the background. Mostly I just put accents and highlights. The highlights are the lights and the accents are the dark. Now I'm putting detail in to the grass in the foreground. I added some flowers. And I worked on her hiking boot. I put some detail in her hiking boot, some more in her pants. Putting a few more flowers in. Here I'm working the background. I added that dead tree in there. I thought that was interesting. So, that's it. There's the photograph, and there's the painting on the right. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.